This is the Vicksburg National Military Park in Mississippi. And it was a very large battlefield with a lot of deaths on both sides. And if you didn't know, one of the ways you can figure out who won the battle is by the monuments. The North put in lots of large monuments, and the South was unable to do that because they were ruined and they had no money. It had rained so much and so hard that a lot of the roads in the battlefield were closed, either because of high water or the tunnels that were dug by both sides are collapsing, and they don't want anyone to get injured. When the Ironsides came down the Mississippi River to attack Vicksburg, the Cairo was the only Ironside that was hit and sank. And because of people taking pot shots at the stacks and that type of thing after the war, the location of the Ironside disappeared during a change of course in the river. And about 20-30 years ago, it was located again, and it was brought up, sent to a restoration place, and they restored as much of it as they could. And I find it fascinating because an Ironside is one football field in length. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.